Circumstances change. The solution in some situations causes problems in others. Sometimes it's best to do one thing, sometimes the opposite. That's obvious and yet strangely ignored when we talk like there are universal principles. For example, never be negative or intolerant. Always be positive and tolerant. Now most folks just follow their nose. If a word smells bad, they duck it. I'm never negative, I hate intolerance. If a word smells good, they claim it. I'm always positive and tolerant. Simple. But check this out. Never be negative is negative. Hating intolerance is intolerant. Ignoring such paradoxes stunts growth and breeds hypocrisy. You'll say you're always tolerant because it smells sweet, but you can't, won't, and shouldn't be. Sometimes intolerance is what the situation calls for. Attending to such paradoxes makes us ironists. There will be ironic situations. Try to do the right thing and ironically it goes wrong. Ironists accept that tragic comic fact of life. They opt for opposite options as skillfully as they can, knowing that life is iffy. Ironists are doubt tolerant. They're neither fundamentalists nor cynics. They take seriously the slapstick challenge of doing the right thing. And that's what this playlist is about.